So I might use steam to get it up, and then I release that pressure, and now it's not going to pop. If you bring that pressure all the way down on her, it's going to slap her underneath. She might not be a fan of that. I'm going to single my rope up here, go under, then up and over. Now again, we're going to cinch prep her, double up the rope on her barrel, tighten it up there, good girl. Tighten it up again, good girl. You're going to see systematically we are going to make her less and less reactive. Notice when she gets uncomfortable with things, how I just keep trying to jockey for her shoulder. I keep trying to move my feet and dance where I'm beside her shoulder, where she can't threaten me. Her natural instinct is to bring her butt towards me or to square up with me. When she squares up with me, she's threatening a strike or a bite by getting big and squaring up with me. So me being all the way to the side and continuing whatever's bothering her or tickling her, she's saying, oh, okay, it's not that big of a deal. Bring that rope, put it around her legs. Good girl. Desensitize those front legs now. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. And this is really going to allow us to be safer whenever we reach under there for the cinch.